1954, State versus Dora Bravo. Can I have parties announced?
Second gallery for the state.
What's available from the front?
And are you Miss Bravo? I'm going to need you to keep your voice up to one so that I can hear you. Thank you. Counsel, have you received all discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client? Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Bravo, did you review the application for adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation, there's an application in this case. Ms. Bravo, did you review the true bill of indictment?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State proceeding on the indictment as presented.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Bravo, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Your charge is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility.
Okay, so what the judge just broke down is the state jail felony, the lightest form of felony in Texas, but still serious. It means Bravo's not headed to prison yet, but she's walking a tightrope. Deferred adjudication is basically a second chance. If she stays clean and follows the rules, she avoids a conviction. But one misstep, and it's straight to sentencing.
And up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering that plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
No.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Going to be
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Ms. Bravo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
no, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at an $800 fine. State recommends community supervision while deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 AL 005470. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Ma'am.
Defense?
yes.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, community service restitution hours, no contact with Roberto Avalos Jr. in JCPenney stores, the life skills course, and the anti-theft course. Do you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
We got receipt one of the attachment.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Proceeding with sentencing.
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of the client?
Yeah, for fall, yeah, recommendations from the state.
All right. Are you employed? How do you support yourself?
Now here's where the tone shifts. The judge is done with paperwork and wants the truth. Watch how she pivots from legal formalities to life counseling mode. These next few minutes are raw, unfiltered, and show just how deeply addiction seeps into every part of a defendant's life.
Boyfriend,
Who is your boyfriend?
Pedro,
Pedro who?
Diaz,
And what happened to Roberto Avalos?
40 years ago.
I mean, you were in a car with him. Is he no longer in your life?
No, he's incarcerated, and nobody stated that I was dating him. I was just getting a ride from him now.
All right. Did you know him before you accepted a ride from him?
Yes, I did.
All right. And how did you know?
Friend of family.
Do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
He is 15.
And who is the 15-year-old with?
He is with his uncle, his guardian,
And when you're drug tested today, what are you going to be positive for?
Maryland.
And what else? No, that's not just about it. Do you want to get drug tested today? So here's the thing. I am trying to set conditions for you so you'll be successful on probation. In order for me to do that, you need to be honest. All right? So if you use before coming report, it's not a violation of your probation because you were not on probation. So what are you going to be positive for? Well, I wasn't with you, so what type of drugs?
Find it up. Nothing better.
All right, so when's the last time you used meth?
Boom, there it is. She admits to using meth just a day before standing in court. That single statement changes everything. In most cases, honesty helps, but it also signals to the judge that Bravo may not be stable enough to manage probation right now. The stakes just skyrocketed.
I thought I was it.
Okay. Do you have any family support?
Yes. Is there a thing? Yes.
All right, who's supporting you as far as someone you can go to help you maintain your sobriety?
My brother.
Your brother?
I was
Okay. When's the first time you started using?
well, usually he's legit.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's going to be an $800 fine. That will be probated. 3 years deferred adjudication. Of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. To be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be no residing with minors. Taking consideration 2025 AL 005470. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. Once parenting is completed, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be no contact with Roberto Los Jr., no contact with J.C. Penney stores. Counsel, I'm not going to do the anti-theft course because I think the theft course is related to the drug issues, and I think if that problem is solved, then there'll be no need for the other. But I am going to recommend the life skills course. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs, in custody, there's to be TAP evaluation, follow recommendations, and also a referral to felony drug court. Probation is, and field visits, 1 time per month, 6 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Go for it. This is why you're going in custody. You are extremely high today.
And this is the breaking point. The judge sees through the excuses and calls it out. Bravo is visibly high in court. It's a sobering reminder, you can't fake sobriety in front of someone who's seen hundreds of addicts come through those doors. Harsh? Maybe. Necessary? Absolutely. The courtroom isn't just about punishment. Sometimes it's the last intervention before tragedy.
And if I allow you to walk out of here, what's going to end up happening is you're going to use more meth.
No,
And who knows what will end up happening. You may get some bad drugs.
like,
But-
so that you give me the benefit of the doubt, I got on the ball and I'm trying to change, I'm doing what I'm
I know this is going to help you. All right. Thank you.
Oh, wait,
All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 003315 State with Melissa Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Miss Gonzalez.
And are you Miss Gonzalez? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client? Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, proceeding on the office. We find a misdemeanor.
Any objections?
We,
Did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault causing bodily injury as family violence. That is a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She has.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
She has.
Ms. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, I am.
Are you a USC?
Yes, I am.
Court will find
Next up, State versus Melissa Gonzalez. New defendant, new drama, this time it's a family violence case tied to alcohol and loss. But what makes this moment powerful is the judge's transformation from disciplinarian to motivator. Watch closely, this judge doesn't just hand down sentences, she hands out life lessons.